Hi everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have a Stitch Fix box for you. This one is ginormous. It's big as me, as big as I am. And also I have Austin here, my son, and he got his very first Stitch Fix. So we're going to open them together. Just a little bit of business beforehand. It is usually a $20 styling fee, but if you click my link below, you will get a styling credit on top of a free styling fee. So usually they're $25, but when I signed my son Matthew up, he got $75, and then his girlfriend Haley signed Austin up, and he got a $100 credit, we think. So we don't know what the credit is these days. So you could get lucky and get up to a $100 styling credit, but it's usually about $25, which, you know, $25 is $25 towards your first box. So click that link below and you can try Stitch Fix for yourself. So my box did come a bit janky. This is what it came looking like. I've never had a box come messed up like that. It usually comes all nice and neat like Austin's did. Okay. So let's cut open the box. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Miranda and this is my channel. I do all kinds of unboxings, lifestyle videos, vlogs, decorating. I do just about everything around here, and every once in a while you get a sneak peek of my little grandson, Waylon. Today, I wanted to open this box today because it's Friday and we're all going to the pumpkin patch, and so we want to know if there's anything in here that we can wear to the pumpkin patch. Alright, so when I open it up, like, I don't know, this is the way it's looking right now. Austin's looks all nice and neat and pretty. I don't know what to say, actually. I'm a little bit perplexed, but anyways, this is usually, you see the difference? Like, usually it's all nice. This is your prepaid mailer. You send anything back that you don't want to keep, and then this is how mine came. So I don't know, but you don't pay for shipping or sending it back. All right, so he's never opened a Stitch Fix box, right? So in here is, like, it tells you what all is in there and the prices. If you don't want to peek, don't open that yet. Okay, and then you see, this is how mine came. Usually it's just like his, except mine usually comes in this. The men's, I guess, comes in the longer one. But it's like they just threw a bunch of stuff in here and closed it up real quick. I don't know, but we'll look at that in a minute. All right, so hold up your bundle. My bundle, and that's Austin. Oh, yours looks promising. Haley is on the other side of the camera going, I like. All right, so you just got a bundle, right? Mm-hmm. No shoes or anything? No. All right, so let's undo our bundles here. The paper's always loud, so I'm sorry. I don't usually film in my bedroom, but my grandson is downstairs and my husband, everybody is downstairs where I usually film, so I just brought them right here. Alright, do you want to go first? You want me to? You can. Okay, so the first thing I got is a pair of jeans. These are by Prosperity. They're 32 petites. I didn't know Stitch Fix did a petite. I'm going to put a link up here in an iCard. I ordered a short story box, which is for petite girls, and I loved that box. But, so we'll see. I guess Prosperity is a Stitch Fix exclusive. And they have the raw edge hem right there. You can see a little frayed. And they do look like a skinny jean. Alright, what's your first item?
I think it's a long sleeve. Okay.
That's not, I like the color. What do you think of that?
It's soft.
That'd be nice for work. What's it made by? Who's it made by? Alicebury? Show them the tag.
In Vietnam.
that's who it's made by. Alright, cool. Alright. The next thing I have is a sweater by Pink Clover. I'm gonna move my box behind us just because, so you can see better. Oh, it's not a sweater. It's a cardigan. That's cute. It's got like the sweater material, but it is soft. It's not like an itchy material. And they sent it to me in a, that says it's purple. Is that purple?
I see it a little bit, but I also see brown. So
I don't know if it's brown or purple, but they're saying it's brown. And they sent it to me in an extra, extra large. So I'm probably, I don't know if I'm going to keep that, but I don't know if you can see. I have to be kind of further back filming on my bed. Alright, what's next?
Another long sleeve.
Ooh, that's soft.
I like that one.
What's it say on the back? Sunset Mollusk Surf Shop. That's a really soft material.
Navy blue.
Navy blue. Alright, the next thing I have in my box is this blue, navy blue top. It's short sleeve. Oh, actually, it looks more like a capped sleeve. They sent it to me. It's marketed in spruce, and they sent it to me in an extra large. I don't know. I'm not feeling this box very much. I try to always say something kind about my boxes, but I might not be able to this time. I have 2 more items, so we'll see.
Let's see what this one's made of.
Is it flannel? Oh, it's flannel. I like that.
This one is California Shirt Company.
California Shirt Company. Okay.
Just a regular button up.
Alright. I did ask for a bag, and I've been asking for a pair of flats. Last time I asked for flats, they sent me heeled booties, so I had to send them back in. But... oh, I got Toms. I have never owned a pair of Toms, but from what I understand, they are very comfy. And these are really light, actually. And they are a size 8. So those might be promising. We'll put those on in a minute.
I think this is a hoodie. This one's
Ooh, that's got some weight to it.
what's the first one?
That Owlsbury. It's got a drawstring and some buttons down here. It's in a heathered gray. That's got a little bit of weight to it, so I think it'll be warm. Alright. Oh. What did I order? I ordered an extra, but I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a bra. So I get to unbox a bra in front of my kid and all of YouTube. But anyways, it is, I think it's a strapless, and I think that's why I ordered it. Yeah, strapless, and then it has also the straps that crisscross, I believe, and it's by Waycole, and I ordered it in a 36D, and it's really light. So I forgot I ordered an extra. When you do boxes, you can order underwear, you can order bras, you can order pajamas, socks, all kinds of stuff as extras.
My last thing is some jeans.
What do they buy? A-frame? Is that what this says?
Mm-hmm.
Tate Slim Fit Kumi. in a size 30-30. Do you like the color? Are you a gray jeans guy?
I don't know.
Come back in a minute. Come back in a minute. I don't know. I think it'll look really good with your shirt. After we go to the pumpkin patch, we'll
This
do
one?
the try-ons. No, the flannel.
This one?
Yeah, the flannel.
This one.
Yeah. See? I think that'll look really nice. So, anyways, that was okay. I have one more item in my bag. I did ask for a tote bag. This is it. It's got the laser cuts in it. It is in a like a cognac color. So this might make the box for me. I needed another tote bag. I'm fixing to go on a trip with Mike next Thursday. It's by Street Level, and I needed another bag to take on the plane. Two-tone, oh, it's reversible. It's got a little wallet in here. And the inside is black. So we can either have it black or brown. Alright, so go ahead. First impressions before you open up and see what it's going to cost you. What do you think?
I like the long sleeve.
You like which one? The shirt?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you get that. So you always get a style card. This is what your style card looks like, and it just tells you different ways to style the items. And then you get a style note. And mine says, "Hi Miranda, my name is Kyn, C-Y-N, and I'll be your stylist for your Fix number 11. My goal is to learn what styles you love and what fits feel right for you. The best way we can accomplish this is through your item feedback during checkout. What in particular did you love? What did you not? I took a look over your style profile to curate this casually minded mix of items that can easily mix and match to create multiple style options. Let me know what you think. You mentioned you're headed to Seattle, so I wanted to source you a mid to heavier weight cardigan for the cooler weather. I was only able to find one in a size up. However, I'm thinking this will work great for layering over items like sweaters. That's why they sent me a bigger size. And long sleeve knits. It's in a lovely deep amethyst hue. For a fall tote, I pulled you a rich warm brown with the laser cut details. It's reversible. Okay, so that's what my style card says. What's yours? You want me to read yours for you? So this is Austin's style card with the lights. I know it's hard to see. His says, "Hey Austin, and welcome to Stitch Fix. It's so cool that you took the initiative to fill out your profile and build the perfect wardrobe. While I did not, did you fill it out or did Haley fill it out? Haley? Haley
Kind
did
of
it.
both.
Haley did it for him. I will keep an eye out for your next shipment. Oh, wait. What I did not have, the light colored distressed jeans you were looking for. Okay. I found a pair of jeans by A-Frame. What do you think of the fit and style of the jeans? Pair the jeans with the California shirt, which is the long sleeve tee, flannel shirt, and your favorite sneakers. I will keep an eye out for the brand name shirts for your next fix as well. I did not have anything in my current inventory that I thought you might like. The jeans will go great with the Allsbury Henley hoodie. Try everything on and let me know what you think of the fit and style of each piece in the box. Also, what would you like to see in your next fix? Cheers." And I'm sorry, I cannot say his name. The lights probably won't be able to see. But, can you read what that says?
I will try.
I don't know. So, if you happen to see this video, I'm sorry.
Requia?
Requia?
I think so.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead. Usually I...
25.
Yep, his says $25, but mine said $25 until I went to check out, and then it said $75. So I don't know. But usually I do the pricing afterwards. But we might just do a picture slideshow of everything, kind of like I did in my Onceable box. If you haven't seen that video, I'll post it in the iCard up here for you. Just because we kind of are on a little time crunch, and I don't know if Austin's going to want to try all his stuff on for camera, so we'll see. Alright, so the laser cut two-tone, the bag, wherever the bag, but this is $68. The Market and Spruce V-neck knit top, which is this blue one I showed, it is $28, so that's a pretty good price. The Duster cardigan by Pink Clover is $48. That's still a good price. The Toms that I got, I think that's going back in here. The Toms are $48, and the jeans are $78. My total fix, this subtotal is $278. At the buy all discount, because if you do buy all 5 items, you get 25% off, would be $67.50. I did order the bra, it's $68, so it better be a really good strapless bra for me to want to keep it. So with my styling credit, it's $250.50, but I also have a $75 credit. So we'll see after I try everything on what I keep. Austin's, the A-frame Tate Slim, the shirt, no, the Tate Slim. Oh, that's the jeans, are $72. The California Shirt Company is $50. That's the flannel. The long sleeve tee by Mollusk is $40. The Keaton Thermal Henley hoodie is $49, and the Thermal Crew in light blue is $39. You want to know your sticker shock? Are you ready? $250 is the subtotal. He gets 25% off, which is $62.50. He also has that $100 credit, so your grand total for 5 items is $87.50. That's pretty good. Even $187, I think, would have been okay. Yeah. So your first impressions. Are you gonna keep everything for less than $100?
That's a lot.
$87 is a lot of money. That's 5 items for less than $100. He's such a guy. Anyways, we'll be back and we will show you. I'll do a slideshow of everything that I tried on, and I will see you in my next video. If you are brand new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button on your way out. Also, the thumbs up or the thumbs down really helps me out and any YouTuber. So I hope you have a great day. Thanks, Austin. Turn off.